So we have this new major in data science. The world has this ever-increasing amount of data that every single organization, whether it's the big companies like Google or it's nonprofits or universities, everybody's got data. So this new major is very interdisciplinary, pulling in topics from multiple majors, multiple existing majors, to give students these tools that they need to deal with real-world problems involving data.
I've also heard that data science is something that is really going to be a consistent need in the future, and a data science background could provide a lot of job security in the future, which is appealing. Right now, I'm thinking of maybe possibly becoming an actuary, but I also know that data and a knowledge of data is also important in that career, but I am just a freshman, so I think adding a major of data science to supplement my math major would open a lot of doors to other career opportunities that I could explore.